Good day, everyone. This is Rana A. Magsakay, and today I'll be evaluating the Social Mobilization Program report of my classmate Alvin Carino, which is Gawad Kalinga Sipag Program. For this evaluation, I'll be using the framework Smart CC BMS. I've now started the evaluation. Actually, Gawad Kalinga Sipag program is very close to my heart because it's not only focuses about poverty reduction, community empowerment, and other livelihood, because they also take care of the lolo and lola, which is sometimes left behind. Now, I start with my evaluation with a goal and objective clarity. The program has clear goal focused on poverty reduction, community empowerment, livelihood, and values formation. And with that, I give it the rating of 5. For the next component, the target audience. The program very specific with their target audience, which is including the lolo't lola, pamilyang walang tirahan, mga batang walang pamilya, mahihirap na pamilya, at batang gustong makapag-aral. And with that, I give them the rating of 5. Another component is the channel selection. For the Gawad Kalinga Sipag program, they use social media as the channel selection, community meetings, volunteer activities, and partnership. However, they still need for the improvement for the target audience because Gawad Kalinga Sipag program is still needing housing, education, and livelihood support. The program uses community meetings, volunteers activities, partnership, social media, and advocacy campaigns effectively, though some remote communities may still have some limited access. That's why for the channel selection, I give them the rating of 4 for some improvement. Community participation. Community involved is one of the strongest aspects of the program. Beneficiaries actively participate in building homes, livelihood activities, and community development projects. And with that, I give them the rating of 5. For the next component, the resources utilization. Gawad Kalinga maximize donation, volunteer works, and partnerships. However, resources can sometimes depend heavily on external sponsors and volunteers, which means for the resources utilization, the Gawad Kalinga Sipag program still need to improve. They still need the support or to increase their resources and also to utilize effectively their resources. The next component is the message design and relevance. Actually, the message design and relevance, the simple and effective messaging, like as I said, is the success of the program. And for the Gawad Kalinga, the message is very simple. May pag-asa pa, may handang tumulong, magbabayanihan tayo. And with that, the clear and the simple message really direct to the heart and also for the audience to participate. The message of hope, bayanihan, empowerment, and nation building are simple, inspiring, and highly relevant to Filipino communities. The next component is the behavior change outcome. Self-reliance, cleanliness, positive behaviors. Like what I said, behavior is not automatic. Behavior is a process. But for Gawad Kalinga Sipag program, they already empower the people. They already inspire the people to have a changes. And with that, I give them the rating of 5. The next component is the sustainability and replicability. Gawad Kalinga Sipag program has very specific in the sustainability and replicability message. The pagkakaisa, tagumpay ng programa, at patuloy na suporta. The program has been replicated in many communities nationwide, showing sustainability. However, long-term success, open defense, continuous support, and funding. And with that, I give them the rating of 4. The next component is the stakeholder coordination. Gawad Kalinga effectively coordinates with LGUs, NGOs, private companies, schools, churches, and volunteers to implement projects successfully. And we all see that the Gawad Kalinga Sipag program is very successful because of the stakeholder coordination. And with that, I give them the rating of 5. Lastly, the monitoring and feedback. The organizations conducts monitoring through community leaders and partner organizations through continuous and standardized evaluation system can still be improved. Like pagpapaunlad, patuloy na pagsusuri, pakikinig sa bawat komento, at pagsubaybay ng programang ito ay mahalaga upang matagumpay o mapagtagumpayan ang programang Gawad Kalinga Sipag Program. And for the summary, the total score is 45/50. Program is successful but can still be improved. Overall performance, very good. However, needs improvement in sustainability, resources utilization, monitoring, and feedback. But effective in participation, coordination, and impact. These are my references. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig.